Hello everyone. Today I just want to bring out a new video that is regarding the Government of Meghalaya online recruitment application system. This video you may come to know about the Meghalaya recruitment, where to search and where to get the online application, how to pay and all such kind of things. First of all, now let us go step by step. You may open Google, Chrome or browser. So first of all, search Government of Meghalaya online recruitment application system. Because I have already searched this still there, just click on it and you may open this website. This is Meghalaya recruitment.nic.in RPA. Just click on it. It's still processing. You may wait for a while. See now, while you open it, or first you need to register on it, and you may upload your documents like mark sheet and any other, all the necessary documents. Like if you have diploma, certificate and all, you can upload all the documents. So here, if you want to register, it is showing here. Click here to register. This is the one. You can click here and register yourself. So here you can search the notification. You may get all the notification, the jobs, advertisement, and the notification when the test and other like exams, written exams, physical test, you may get from it. See here it is shown new advertisement, Community and Rural Development, Government of Meghalaya, Shillong. So here it is shown here. Last date for the application is 21 February 2025. So there are lots of advertisement and other necessary notification you can search and you can get from it. So I have already registered. Now I just need to log on it. So in the office there is a one box here. It is showing here login. There is the box like office. First just click on it. You can get all like different departments and different like other sources of Meghalaya recruitment. See here, Community Rural Development, you can get from it. So for example, I just want to show on it that General Administrative Department, Government of Meghalaya. I'm clicking on it and login. After login on it, you may get like certain details like application, my application and any other. Just go through it. So it's processing. See, I already logged in already. I'll just show this. So yeah, this is the one. I have just logged in. See, there are name of the post, center of examination. There is like cleaner, Meghalaya House, New Delhi. There are lots of post vacancy. You can get it LDA come receptionist. So it is showing here the application fee also for scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and OBC it is 50, and for the general it is 100. There are like you can search from the different any other departments and all. Just search. If you have like applied, you can search here my application. In this you can search. I hope that bringing this application to you all will be helpful to you all, and I just want to give some idea of this is that you just register yourself and search the different vacancy, because nowadays it is little bit difficult to get the jobs and all, jobs details and all. So we don't need to go to the cyber or any other. You can just apply on your own mobile phone also. Thank you for watching this video.